In 1963, in America, the baddest man to ever sing on a recorded piece of music released a country music song which would change music forever. It was a bit of a relationship song, or a dangerous falling in love song, between that of Johnny and June Carter Cash. Over the years in Ireland, every day when I take the ring, it has brought me a different perspective as it relates to fear. In the ring of life, you can let the ominous heavy man win every single time. Recall the lyric. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. Or you can do something different. You can punch through the bag and knock the crap out of fear. And you yourself can become a glowing ring of fire for yourself and all everybody else around you. Good day.
Hello, America. I'm the Bulwark. Now, the news is not being funny about the coronavirus. We all need care and precaution. Your food, your body, clothes, hands, hot water, and soap for washing. Keep your mind, that the world and this country has seen scares and tough times before. And recall history, that the only thing you have to fear is that. So totally blunt fear across your very door. Practice, which can be your literal saving grace, social distance of 6 feet or more. The ties that bind always go deeper than that anyway. Real connection is forever at your very core. Please, Homo sapiens, please, do not, above all else, go to the grocery store. From hand soaps, to wipes, to detergents, to paper towels and toilet paper, which I realize you need to sit in the pot, but if you stockpile TP 3 stories high, you only take away from the collective good in the calm. And that means for the rest of us, we have not. To you all, stay safe and be healthy.
Thanks for watching Fried Talk, Pilgrim.
Ooh, there you go. It's how you walk. You gotta think, be kind. That jam is Fried Talk.
Ooh, you get it, Brian Hadley. Yeah, baby.